On April 18, 2024, Artie Lang reported live from the beautiful golden statue entrance of the new $6.69 studio. He delivered a message from old Vincenzo, questioning how Vincenzo managed to short the top as Bitcoin experienced a 5.69% flash crash. Old Vincenzo took a Biddy ETF short at 7.72 cents, with Bitcoin hovering near $71,000. The question arose, how did Vincenzo fleece the criminals, gangsters, and place the perfect trade that would double or triple the portfolio in less than 2 months? The answer lies in a bell notification. Like, share, and most importantly, hit that free subscribe button to become members of Jabroni Killers, all for $3.69. Dare to find a better value of truth, education, information, and integrity, peace, and love. I hope you enjoyed the engaging script. If you have any more topics or requests, feel free to share them. Have a great day.
Subscribe down below, bell notification, most importantly, to my glowing, beautiful, gorgeous audience is to share it far and wide on social media. Good 18th of April, if we can believe this already, after a 5.37% flash crash of $3,452 and falling. This is Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, your number one cryptocurrency and XRP and gold and silver bullion insider on social media and exclusively here on YouTube as Bitcoin slips $60,000. XLM is down 5.0%. The all famous and everyone's loved, the most beheld 5.81% to 4.427 cents. The XRP continues to crash and manipulated and orchestrated and executed flawlessly by an institution with billions of dollars that have influenced and infiltrated the United States government, Federal Reserve, and world banking system to knock down and beat down the retail traders. That's why old Vincenzo is here, and that's why I need you to smash bell notifications, super chat to support channel. $2.69. Yes, members of Jabroni Killer, I dare you and beg you to find a better value of education, information, truth, and integrity to help you navigate these choppy waters, as I am not a financial advisor. Jay. And just as Jay has entered the building, the coin update man has the current temperature is 58 degrees. Jay at the Central Illinois Airport in Bloomington. And we're going to dig into this Bitcoin price right here, right now, and to right there. And you can see, so we understand what's going on. And you guys, if you've been watching this channel now, that we're coming to this critical green underneath support, which see where these big, glowing, beautiful arrows are pointed at this mountain double top, and we're going to make that bigger. This mountain double top right here and right there is the mean of the double top where the bull market ended as a rounding top was noticed twice as the buyers or the bulls become exhausted and the sellers or the bears take over the market and the price is going to come down, and it did twice, right? And then this started and continued the bear market. That was a multi-year bear market. And old Vincenzo again, right where this big arrow is, see right here, this big arrow, this other big arrow. Come on, stop it. Hold on, technical difficulties, of course. This is what happens with technology. Give me 1 second, and it seems to be working now. But see right here, where Vincenzo places big short, right where this big arrow is right here, you see this humongous arrow that seems to be pointed right into this general region as a rounding top was noticed by old Vincenzo as he placed the short ever so cleverly in the 1 hour time frame, not at the top. Oh no, we didn't get it at the top. The top was up here as a rising channel was diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected, and we overted and subverted into the 4 hour time frame to fleece, heist, and shiest. They're criminal gangsters, and isolate in here a little closer on exactly what we did when we placed the trade. We were watching this rising channel. We wanted to place a trade in here, didn't have the balls or the fortitude or the confidence to do it. We had the initial breakdown, and we almost bit. We almost got in, and we almost pulled the trigger down into this region somewhere. And we said, you know what? We're going to watch it for a little while to see if it confirms another run up and it gets a failed rejection and comes on down. And that would be when we would most likely place a trade. And if we didn't, it might be too late, and we didn't want to miss out on what we thought was a rounding top starting to be formed here with a rising channel, noticed, sniffed out, and detected. Right on top of the rising channel right here in blue, you see how it just started to form this smaller rising channel in the small time frame as a topping out pattern just outside in the macro time frame in blue. The 2-year almost consolidation in that rising channel, right? So then we watched it play out and placed a trade right in here. Right in this region right there, about a day or two before the dump, and it was about 5% off of the high here, but we felt very confident, and then it immediately dumped, and we went up about 5 or 8%. Then it had a huge pump, and we end up down about 2 or 3% here, and then it quickly rolled over on itself. That might have been when it happened when I was sleeping. Rolled over on itself, and then we broke some critical support right here at about we're going to zoom in even closer now to the 1 hour time frame. We broke critical support here at the 65,000. We're going to make this, get off there. This is still malfunctioning right now. Of course it would do that. This is what happens with technology. Excuse me. Maybe this will start working here in a second. And it seems to be working again. So that seems to be what we're going to be dealing with here. Just sporadic malfunctionings of different proportions to greater extents. Let's get back into this chart. We're just trying to do this quickly and flawlessly for you, but it's just not going to happen today. We're going to move that over here. That is the critical price that is up there. We're going to click on to here. We're going to make this a brighter, beautiful color that stands out, make that bigger. That is a critical support zone now that's resistance that broke down here to give us some more breathing room, because that was a big 5, 6, 7% flush over the weekend. And now that we're down into here, we're in a danger zone for Bitcoin, but we're in a very, very good zone for old Vincenzo's short. As from current price to where we took the short, it was about 70,000 and change. And now at current price, fluctuating, we'll go right in the middle. We're about 14.35% up on the Bitcoin price. And we took the inverse short on BITI. And at current price, you can see it's at $8.63. It was down on a big down day today. It was down better than 5.5%. And now it's gained back all of that in a ferocious after-hours rally where it's about to go to 6% up. There we go, boom, milestone, $8.64 or $6.11 up in after-hours. It reclaimed the 4.32% during normal hour trading, and we're currently up 12.17% or $234 at a $7.72 average price with 250 shares. And we're going to ride this for a little while. And that's what happens when you have a game plan, when you understand the actual market, what moves the market, which are people, and what are people, human beings, and what do human beings have, emotions, and what are these lines on the screen? They are information that is depicting virtual worlds, emotional state, and traders by humans via lines on a screen. And you got to understand that and look at the technicals, but you got to also look at the momentum, look at the hype at the current time and the financials and the economics on what's going on. Are risk assets on, or are risk assets selling off in a bear market, right? Is the fiscal policy favorable for the inflation of stocks and commodities and crypto, or are they deflationary for crypto? You got to understand what's taking place in the market. And old Vincenzo does, and we don't get bought up in the hype train, baby. And we think in the macro time frame we're bearish until we see otherwise. And that's why we did place that short with this double top and now a triple top. And this just looks like a bigger formation, which is a technical pattern. Old Vincenzo sort of coining it now, and it is the dinosaur pattern. And you can see this, or the dinosaur, or I like the turtle pattern better. I'm calling this the turtle topping out bearish reversal pattern, right? And you can see the turtle right here. See that? And then the up and sideways consolidation would be the head, right? You see that right there? Come on. We'll get a different color here, but we'll do it again. This is, you can see it right here. And then you got this, the up and sideways, and then the shell. Now, if you take this and you make this blue, you see that? That looks like the turtle's shell back in here, right? And then this is the turtle head up in here. And that is a bullish continuation pattern, but it's a topping out pattern and a bearish reversal pattern after it breaks the turtle's head right here. And that was this humongous rising channel. And I do think this will eventually, and it did confirm now breaking back into it. And if it does confirm and continues to stay into this channel, I do think this will eventually in the next 7 to 14 days hit this uptrending lower support at around 49,259.96, and then we could have a nice bounce back up into the $63,000 range before another fall.